Oh, it's mad dark in here. Hold on. Ugh. I can't get out. Oh, the things are there for YouTube. Quick disclaimer, my camera stand broke the other day, so if you notice that the lighting is different, or I'm a bit to the left, I'm a bit to the right, and I keep looking over there instead of over there, it's because the camera had to be moved, and I need to get used to the new setup until I get my new camera stand and my new ring light, because everything just fucked up. Everything's fucked up now, okay? Hey guys, it's JayJay Sweets and welcome back to my channel. I got the edges out today, the real edges, bitch. Ain't no frontal up in here. I'm gonna be reviewing some blonde water wave 613 hair I got from Aliexpress. I know I said I wasn't gonna buy no hair from Aliexpress again. I said let me do an exception this time because number one, they were doing a sale, and number two, it's not hair that I'm gonna have to bleach myself, so I don't have to worry about the hair turning into chewing gum, okay? So this hair I got is from a company called Vanlov hair. So this is the first time I've ever used this hair vendor. I got 3 24-inch bundles and a 20-inch frontal. Let's start off with the frontal. Now the thing is, usually with frontals are usually like good, and I don't know why, but it doesn't matter where you get them from. Frontals are really good. This hair feels hella soft. Ooh. And yo, this is just from one stroke of the fucking frontal. I know you fucking lied. Hold on. No. Yo, what is happening? This is unacceptable. So the hair got shipped to me in the normal shipping way. They say it will come within 5 to 7 days. This hair came within 5 days. I was very happy about that, and this bitch is still shedding. Okay. The delivery came, and it came in a, you know, the regular wig bag. I don't have it anymore. I threw it out with all my stuff, and inside it comes with this little coupon here that says if you give all 5 stars you get $6 cash. Yeah, and it tells you if there's any negative problem with the hair, please contact us first instead of leaving negative feedback. We will work to solve your problem ASAP. I got a little note saying, congratulations, lucky buyer, something, you get a free 10-inch wig. And it's a lace closure, so I done left them their 5 stars, even though now I'm actually looking at the hair. I would have realistically given them maybe like a 3. I don't know. I gave them their 5 stars. I'm looking to get my wig real soon, and then I will do a little review video on that wig as well, so y'all can see the free wig I got. 2 weaves for the prices of 1. Win-win. And it also came with this free gift. Now this is one thing I missed about ordering hair from Aliexpress, because when I switched from Aliexpress to DHgate don't send their hair with free gifts. So I got this free gift, and I'm getting a lace wig too. Like I did miss the free gift, so I'm very happy about that. They said that it was medium brown, but this is not the medium brown that I usually get. Maybe it's because it's blonde hair, that's why it's like lighter, so I guess they think it's for the whites. And it don't even feel, the lace itself, they said it's Swiss lace, but it doesn't feel like Swiss lace. It's very tough lace. It's very tough lace. Jeez. They said that the knots has been pre-plucked. Baby, does that look pre-plucked to you? Cause it don't look pre-plucked to me. I can't even lie to you, I don't even know how I'm going to work this hair, because you can't even bleach the knots, and the knots are hella flipping visible. Well, they're not visible, but they're like knots, like I see them, so I don't know how I'm gonna get rid of them. I don't know. This frontal is kind of disappointing, I'm not gonna lie to you, but okay. Let's go to the bundles. This is the packaging it comes in. Okay, and it says right there, water wave. I've got this one that I've already opened. The hair is really soft. Oh, baby.
Bitch!
Well, yeah, this hair sheds like a motherfucker. Do you know what? For the amount of bundles I got, it was only like £174.23. And that is very, very cheap for the color 613 is really cheap. And then for the lengths I got as well. I mean, the ends are really soft, and I like the way that the water wave is it's a really nice wave. I really like the wave. The weft is not too thick. This is how long one is. Now I've doubled this, so double the size of this so you can fit in the camera. So double the size of this is how long one bundle is, okay? But I decided to get this hair because usually when I get my hair and I bleach it, the curls, they kind of loosen and they don't really come out the way I want them to. And when I bleach it, the length, it gets shorter over time. So I thought that if I get this hair and I still make it the same color like I usually do my hair, maybe it would last a bit longer because I bought it this way. So I'm gonna make the wig from start to finish so you guys can see the process and how I do it, and hopefully I can save this wig. Would I recommend this store? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of your girl. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, okay? Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be part of my notifications. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.